Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. I'm going to just do a quick TA today it's Sunday. Hope you have a beautiful weekend. On the weekly charts, Bitcoin still overbought on the weekly on the stochastic. When it's below the dotted line, time to buy, like it was here. When it's above the dotted line, time to sell. So right now, it's above the dotted line. We're in this 1, 2, 3, 4 Elliott wave count. We're on the third to fourth corrective wave. I don't know if it's finished. Why? Because we've got red candles coming down. We're in the third to fourth corrective. And usually that corrective wave is between 23 and 35%. 23% would put us at 56,000. 35%, which is usually the maximum of the third to fourth corrective, would put us at 48,000. So just keep that in mind, and very possible that we do break this trend line, but I do expect a big bounce of 59k. We've got a curve, we've got kind of like a rounding top. We could say that was a double top or even triple top. We had this rising triangle that was rising wedge that broke down, and I sold this rising wedge before it fell. We bought down here, it climbed this rising wedge and it broke down, which is beautiful. My target is 59k, and I would keep the same trade, everyone. I would keep the same trade, opening at 59,534, stop loss 59,318, take profit 71,217, risk to reward 53 times, risking $216 to make $11,682 per Bitcoin with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $116,000. That's the trade I would open on Bitcoin. I still expect us to come down to 59k. And you can see over on my Bybit, if you want to trade like you're going to see me do, underneath the video, go down below. One is the exchanges. Bybit is what I use. You get a $30,000 bonus when you use this link. 2 is the courses. Take the Crypto Master course. You get the bots that learn how to trade, learn how to chart. 3, join us in the Telegram. There's usually 100 to 400 of you online. Over on Bybit right now, my account 625,800. I'm mostly in cash. You can see I've got orders to buy Bitcoin at 59,000 and to buy Ethereum, to go long 30 Ethereum at 2,791. So you can see my 2 longs are already set to open automatically at 59,000 on Bitcoin and at 22,700 on Ethereum. In spot, I'm holding mostly cash, 64,000 USDT plus 300. So I'm about, from this account 630, I'm about 400k in cash. Bitcoin 1, Bitcoin 63,000, which was down a little bit yesterday. MCRT 47,000, down 2%. Pocket 42,000, up 2%. Doge 16,000. World 15,000, up 3%. Uni 8,000. And I've got buy orders for a lot of these. Ton to buy at $3.50. Bitcoin to buy at 59k. These are my spot buys. Doge to buy at 10 cents to buy 300,000 Doge, which is around $30,000. Uniswap to buy at $4. Pocket to buy at 0.09, 222,000 Pocket. And you can see all my buy orders laddered down. As if Bitcoin does break, then I do expect these buy orders all to activate. And I've got all these buy orders on the big support. So you can see on Bitcoin at 59k. Let's quickly go into Ethereum. Ethereum had a bounce yesterday, which is strong bounce we went from 3,000 to 3,200. Volumes, though, is dropping. Same on Bitcoin. So that's why I'm a little bit worried here. The last week, I would say, we've had big drop-off on volume compared to before. So Ethereum, I would take the same trade. Volume predicts price. So I do expect it to drop. Big support, 2,791. That's where I'd open that Ethereum trade, 30 risk to reward ratio, risking $28 per Ethereum to make 876. Take profit at 3663. That's my updates in the market. You can join everyone in the Guru chat. There's 107 of you online. People asking questions, people sharing, charting on Ton. You can see their charts showing. People discussing Ton trades, charting Ton, charting Bitcoin. James, in your video today, could you look into possible inverse head and shoulders on Bitcoin? Okay, I didn't see an inverse head and shoulders on Bitcoin. You need to let me know which time frame as well. Like, where are you seeing it? On the daily, I don't see inverse head and shoulders. On the 4 hourly, there is a little bit of one. Shoulder, head, shoulder forming. It's a weird one though. I still think with the volume dropping off, and you can see the volume the last few hours especially has dropped off massively, that we come down to 59k on Bitcoin. That's my updates in the market, everyone. All the links are down below. The top is the exchanges that I use. The 2 is the courses. Take them all or you're gambling. 3 is join us in the Telegram. And that's my updates in the market. Again, I'm in 60% cash on my trading account, waiting to buy the dip at 59k, and all those trades will activate on Ethereum at 2,700, on Ton at $4, on World, on Pocket, on Bitcoin. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.